Minn produzzjoni ta' biċċa karta għal produzzjoni tal-enerġija. L-ilma huwa l-bażi ta' kollox u jidħol f'kollox. Mhix biss kwistjoni ta' kwalità tal-ilma, iżda aktar importanti minn hekk il-kwantità tal-ilma. Din hija problema li mhux biss qed tolqot il-pajjiżi tal-Mediterran, iżda aktar minn hekk qed tolqot ukoll lil pajjiżna. Iltqajt ma' Silva Arlott, direttur għall-affarijiet Ewropej mill-Grupp Internazzjonali Borealis.
Water is used in every single product, goods we use in our daily life. I mean, a simple sheet of A4 paper, it's 10 liters of water. A cup of coffee, it's 140 liters of water to get from the coffee beans to your cup of coffee. You need water for energy, you need water for everything.
Il-konsum medju tal-ilma jvarja minn pajjiż għal pajjiż. F'Malta l-ammont tal-ilma konsmat minn kull persuna huwa ta' madwar 200 litru kuljum. Iżda fil-verità jinxtorob biss 20 litru.
In terms of human needs, you need 20 liters per person per day. That's the basic human need to survive.
Dan ifisser li 90% tal-ilma użat jintuża l-kollox barra għax-xorb.
Don't need fresh drinking water to wash your car, to clean the streets, or even to grow crops. You need to then apply good quality recycled water, which may not be good for human consumption, but is absolutely perfect to clean the streets and to do other use.
Esperti f'dan il-qasam qed jgħidu li fi żmien 5 snin Malta tista' tispiċċa mingħajr ilma ta' taħt l-art. Il-gvern ilu jiġu mwissi dwar dan iżda fl-aħħar snin naqas milli jimplementa strateġija dwar kif jista' jsolvi din il-problema. Bliet kbar bħal Barcellona fi Spanja kellhom isofru konsegwenzi serji għaliex ma ppjanawx minn qabel tant li dawn kienu sfurzati jimpurtaw l-ilma minn barra l-pajjiż.
Barcelona was obliged to import water from cities like Marseille via tankers. If you don't plan in advance your water problems, you end up in such situations and you need to rush for last-minute solution.
Is-sitwazzjoni f'Barcellona hija simili ħafna għal dik ta' Malta, jgħid Silva Arlott.
Malta is very representative of the situation in many islands in the Mediterranean regions. You have big populations living in a small territory and taking all the water from the groundwater reserves, to the point that in Malta, the renewable fresh water is overused by the population.
Il-Grupp Internazzjonali Borealis, illi tagħha Arlott huwa direttur, tispeċjalizza fi proġetti tal-immaniġġjar tal-ilma madwar id-dinja. Huwa jifforma parti mill-World Business Council għall-Iżvilupp Sostenibbli u dwar din il-problema huwa jappella għal strateġija holistika.
They have to engage everybody, the citizen, the communities, the business, the NGOs, around the need for better water management.
Fejn tidħol il-kwalità tal-ilma, l-Unjoni Ewropea għandha bosta regolamenti u bosta direttivi illi hawn kollha taħt il-Waters EU Directive. Madankollu fejn tidħol il-kwantità tal-ilma, ta' min hija r-responsabilità? Tal-Gvern Malti jew tal-Unjoni Ewropea?
It is a local issue that must be regulated by the local governments and the local people must be involved in it. You have best practices that exist across Europe and beyond, and where local authorities can learn from others to see how they can best address this problem.
Il-konsegwenzi jekk pajjiżna jibqa' jiddependi biss fuq l-ilma li jinġib mir-Reverse Osmosis huma kbar. Dan ikun ifisser li l-prezz tal-ilma jola drastikament. Preżentament 57% tal-provvista tal-ilma f'Malta tiddependi mill-impjant tar-Reverse Osmosis. Sa ftit ta' żmien ilu din il-figura kienet tammonta għal 45%. Dan ifisser li ma' kuljum illi jgħaddi Malta tiddependi dejjem aktar fuq l-ilma li jinġib mill-impjant ta' Reverse Osmosis għaliex il-livell tal-ilma ta' taħt l-art qed jonqos drastikament.
The cost is big. Desalination requires a lot of energy to make fresh water available. If you apply this to Malta, if tomorrow there was no more groundwater available in Malta and everything was coming from desalination, the price of your water would double.
Problema oħra tista' tqum jekk minħabba l-ammont esaġerat ta' ilma li qed jittieħed minn taħt l-art dan imbagħad jitħallat mal-ilma tal-baħar. F'dan ix-xenarju kollu allura nistaqsu għas-soluzzjonijiet.
A lot of solutions there. You need to reduce the demand and you need to develop alternative resources. Alternative resources rainwater, stormwater, recycling water from sewage water. That's one area. You can opt for desalination, but with a cost. Reducing the demand, you need to improve the water efficiency of everything that uses or relies on water.
But from the planning